Hello everyone. Myself Sandhya Onkar Ahire, Assistant Professor in ENTC Department from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today's topic is Marketing Management Concept. Definition: Marketing concept is the philosophy that companies should examine the requirements of their customers and then make a decision to satisfy those needs in a better manner than the competitors. Today, most of the companies have adopted various marketing concepts. Let us now understand the major marketing concepts. The major marketing concepts are classified into three categories: production concept, sales concept, and marketing concept. Production concept. According to the production concept, a company should focus on those items that it can produce most efficiently and also focus on creating a supply of low cost items that create the demand for the products. The key questions that company needs to ask itself before producing an atoms are: can we produce the atom? Can enough of it to be produced? This concept worked fairly during the 1920s, as the atoms were produced were largely because of the basic necessity, and there was relatively high level of unfulfilled demands. Virtually everything that could be produced was sold easily by sales team whose task to complete the transaction at a price which is fixed by the cost of production. Sales concept. According to this concept, the companies would not only produce the atoms but would also try to convince the customers to buy them through advertising and personal selling. Before producing a product, the key questions were: can we sell the atom? Can we account enough for it? This concept paid a little attention to whether the atom actually was required. The goal of simply was to beat the competition with a little focus on the customer satisfaction. In this, marketing was the operation performed after the product was developed and produced. Even today, the people use word marketing when they actually means the sales. Marketing concept. In this, the marketing concept relies upon the marketing studies to define the market segments, their size, and their requirements. To satisfy those requirements, the marketing team makes the decision about controllable parameters of the marketing mix. This concept was introduced after World War II, as the customers could afford to be selective and buy only those items that precisely meet their changing needs, and these needs were not immediately obvious. The key question in this concern are: what do customers actually want? Can we improve it while they still want it? How can we keep the customer satisfied? Companies began to adopt many marketing concepts. These concepts focus on the customer requirements before developing a product, allowing all the operations of the company to focus on those customer needs. Realizing gain by successfully satisfying the customer needs over the long term. When the companies began to adopt this concept, this is actually set up a separate marketing department whose objective was to satisfy the customer needs. Mostly, these departments were a sales departments with expanded responsibilities. Today, Many of them have structured themselves into the marketing organization having worldwide customer focus. Thank you.